Welcome back everybody to another episode of Expedition Adventure. On this episode of Expedition Adventure, we're going to try to get back to the secret waterfalls of Rattlesnake Hollow. But it's been raining a lot, so if that doesn't work out, we'll have to go to plan B.
I'm Josh Daniels. My love of photography and passion for the outdoors gets me in some pretty interesting situations. So join me, and together we'll explore the places and we'll meet the people that make the South such a great place to live. This is Expedition Adventure.
Here at EXA headquarters, it has been raining for 522 days, 64 minutes, and about 34 seconds. That doesn't make any sense at all, but whatever, you get the idea. There's only about a 40% chance of rain today, so we're gonna chance it. We're gonna get out there and try to find the secret waterfalls of Rattlesnake Hollow. But we do have to cross the creek 3 times, and with all this rain, I doubt very seriously that tranquil mountain creek is gonna be anything but a raging river. So if we can't get back to Rattlesnake Hollow, we'll have to go to a plan B. So let's load up our gear and let's have an adventure. This is our first crossing. Usually, this crossing looks like this. Not like this. Nope. There's no way. There's no freaking way. Guess we gotta go somewhere else. We gotta go with plan B, and that's gonna be Goforth Creek. I have never seen Goforth Creek this high. Hey, it's almost high enough to take a kayak down. Well, alright folks, that does it for this episode of Expedition Adventure. Didn't think it was going to be that good of an episode, but it turned out to be pretty cool. We got to see Goforth Creek at its absolute highest. We got to explore a little bit of Rattlesnake Hollow. We'll go back to that and show you the waterfalls at another time. It was pretty cool to film part there going down the creek in his kayak. That was a first for me. I've never seen anybody do that on Goforth Creek.
If you like what you see, go ahead and that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, smash the subscribe button, and all the comments are welcome in the comment section below. You can find us on Twitter, you can find us on Facebook, you can find us on YouTube, whatever else the kids have nowadays. And don't forget to go check out our friends at traildrops.com. It's the best trail food, homemade, right here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And keep on watching right here on Expedition Adventure. We're going to give away some Trail Drops trail food. So folks, until next week, peace.